Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's try to understand what a markup format is all about. Web developers often come across the keywords markup or a markup language. Markup is different from code and some web professionals use them interchangeably. Markup language is a language that annotates text so that the computer can manipulate the text while processing it for display or print. What is a markup language in web world? Markup consists of tags, an opening tag and a closing tag which looks something like the paragraph tag that is highlighted here. Each tag is made up of less than and greater than symbols. Markup is like instructions for determining how to display or print a text that it enclosed. Markup is not part of any visible content that we see it on a browser. And only the text that it enclosed is either displayed or printed. Markup becomes a language when rules are defined around how to write and use. Web markup languages are defined by W3C or World Wide Web Consortium. One of the simplest real-time examples is annotations that we see in a book where we highlight a piece of text to make it important compared to the surrounding text. Markup languages that we use today are XML, HTML, and XHTML. XHTML 1.0 is an extension of HTML 4.01, which may be observed in older websites that are not migrated to HTML5. Overall, markup language uses tags to format documents. Now, let's take a look at a simple HTML document to understand the markup format. If you see this HTML document, you can observe the content is being structured using some HTML tags like headings, paragraphs, lists, links, images, and so on. Don't worry if you don't know all these tags. We'll cover these in our further videos. And all these HTML tags are not going to be part of the visible content of a web page when we see it on a browser. Now we understood what a markup language is all about. Some of us may be thinking if there is anything like markdown language or a markdown format. The answer is yes. We do have a markdown format and we will discuss that in our next video. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.